No! No!
So, good morning, all my beautiful, beautiful people. Get your water, your tea, your coffee, your orange juice, your smoothie, whatever it is that you take or drink in the morning. So, guys, our tea time today is, guys, didn't I just tell y'all the other day, you can run but you can't hide? Didn't I tell y'all that? I was telling y'all that for a reason, you know? The verdict is in. The verdict is in on all 3 counts, okay? Guess what? You guys, some of you might get mad if you live your life crazy and criminal or ugly and hateful, dogmatic, all that kind of stuff, but you can run, but you can't hide. I just mentioned this, I think yesterday's tea time or the day before tea time, that nothing goes unseen. He sits high and he looks low. There is an amount of time that you are going to get in trouble. You're going to pay the consequences. Your karma is going to come for you. We don't know how long a person has been doing things like that. It could have been a very long time. It just got exposed. That's why I say you can run, but you can't hide. There's only so much time that you can sit behind the door or sit in the closet where you won't be exposed. He's going to make you exposed. And then it's like when he does it in a way where you can't even hide from it, even if you wanted to. You're just going to be out with it. And that is exactly what happened. But guys, we serve someone who gets tired of us, who wants to whoop us, that still wants to love you while he whoops you. He still loves you while he whoops you. Like really, he does. So with that being said, y'all, you can run, but you can't hide. It is just better to do the right thing. Treat people with the love of Christ. Even if you don't know what that is, just still ask for help to show you what it is. But treat people with love and treat people the way that you want to be treated, okay? And that is with honor, loyalty, respect, and love. You know, that's it. So guys, I'm going to finish my coffee and watch a little bit of TV, and partake in the tranquility of the space and the quietness, okay? So until next time, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Tea Time. And if no one has told you today, I love you. I want you to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. Bye, y'all. Until next time. All right, guys, I'm back. So, as you guys can see in the beginning of this video, okay, what is going on? Let me say this, and I say this all the time. He can do whatever he wants to show us things and to get our attention. Just don't lose track of what we're supposed to be doing. So, guys, as you can see from the beginning of the video, I don't think nobody's going to be able to go anywhere because everywhere you look, it's not warm. And where we were trying to go is a warmer climate, but it ain't. I'm going to look at this. Can I just show y'all something? Can you guys just see what's going on here? we have high winds, 6 inches of snow, and I'm trying to get ready to go to work. I have to wait for someone from the city, thank God that they will do this, to come. The snow was so heavy, I guess, a little while ago that it just chopped down the freaking tree. So I'm going to show you guys the tree that's in the driveway right now. So hold on one second. Let me turn this camera around. So, and I'm kind of upset because if you guys can see right here, trying to get a good look, but right here, the tree is down and it's cracked in half. And we just noticed like the other day, sorry for the darkness, that we did have like the tree was blooming. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. All I know is we might be at a standstill right now as far as, oh, really, really bright now, as far as trying to get out of here. So I don't know, y'all. He's in control, right? Only he knows what he's doing. And we just have to just bear with it and just know that it's going to get better. But yeah, guys, I will, you guys are awfully white here. I will probably see you guys later on this evening because I know you guys all want to see what I did to the back room. Some of you were right, some of the messages, and then some of you I didn't understand. And then too, yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I do have my Ugg boots by the back door. Had to put on something warm. When I opened up the door, I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? And our power went out. So yeah, let me know in the comments too, what kind of weather are y'all having? Because like I said, trying to leave here in Ohio to go to a warmer place, even out there it's not warm. And their weather is up and down too. So I don't want to say like right now where it is, but yeah. But as of right now, we might be at a standstill. But anyway, guys, let me head on out of here. The guys should be here shortly to get this tree out get this tree out the yard. And I'll see you guys when I return home from work. All right, hold the line. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, it's around 4:30 and I'm back home and I'm going to get ready to show you guys the room. That's what I'm going to do. And I want to show you something I'm going to add to the room before I show it to you. So I'm going to bring you guys along. A lot of you know that I do make my own candles, and I'm going to show you how you do that. For all of you who are new here, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go down in here. As you guys know, I keep, like, once your candles melt down and then you have like empty containers like this, you basically use these things here, if you can see, and I'm gonna place that in here. So I'm making me another candle, and I have, for this one, since it's a clear container, I'll be using all the wax out of my, oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I will be using all this white wax in here. Can y'all see all the white wax in here that I save? It smells so, so good. But I'm gonna be melting it in this pot here, and then when we come back, I'm going to show you guys the new room space and what I did to it. And then there's another thing I'm going to do to something in there, but it won't happen today. I'll probably do it one day this coming week. So hold the line, please. Okay. Guys, we're back. Okay, hope you enjoyed the candle situation because it's going to be featured in the room. I'm going to turn this camera around and we're going to go ahead and see what changes she did to the bedroom. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you really ready? Let's go ahead and see. Guys, I hope you all enjoy this room. I really love it. I'm just going to turn this camera around and just show you some things that I did do and talk about it a little bit, and then we're going to end this video, and then I'll throw in some pictures or whatnot. So guys, over here I did figure out to turn this cattle corner just to give it a more better look and depth to it. I will be taking this book and adding some black paper to it and put writing of what it says on here, get it together. I will be doing that over. But I wanted to keep this by itself because it is just basically a focal point to the room. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And guys, I decided to put the couch here because I don't know, it just kind of made sense to me because we only really have like one outlet over here behind this lamp. The curtain is blocking it. So yeah, that was the reason why. And I think it looks so inviting, guys. This room seems so much warmer now that I turned everything around. This canvas is going to be getting a new look. I think I might keep the black on it because it's black, like a flat black, like the end tables. But I think I'm going to add more white to it and probably put some splashes of more white or gold on it. We'll see, but next you'll see that in another video. I will be updating the canvas. And I just left this just like it was here because you guys know I'm still looking for a ZZ plant for this beautiful plant pot here. And the basket, guys, that I had here with those, what do you call those things? Those little pumpkin looking things, the corn husk pumpkin things. I took it off of here and put it in the kitchen, and I will show you that in another video. But guys, I absolutely love it. And I absolutely love how I placed this little stuffed puff chair here. It looks absolutely beautiful. I also moved the lamp here, guys, because like I said, we only have one outlet. And I just love the look and the feel of how that looks in this space right here. It looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Pair it with the plants. I did add the greenery from out of the kitchen in here, because when she starts trailing a little more, I'm going to put her up here on both sides. And I did put the plant here in front of the other window. And you guys remember that was already there. And just the rug, I switched out the rug from this end to that end, and it looks absolutely amazing. So guys, I do have a plan for like right here. If I can kind of like find me something that will hide this, instead of buying one of those white things, I probably will do so. It probably will be like a cabinet or some type of something where I can put a basket in or two, you know, when the boys are here and they can have their like little games and things like that. But for now, guys, I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty and relaxing. Oh my gosh, it's so relaxing. I spent some time in here yesterday evening and I really enjoyed it. So guys, hope you all enjoyed my beautiful candle here that's burning. Look how amazing. So yeah, yes guys, some of you were correct. Some of you didn't even say anything, but for all of you who said put the couch in front of I think you were saying place it in front of the TV. I think that's what you said. You were right. So yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. And remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. See you guys. Bye.